everybody, my name is Anne and today I'm going to show you how to do some acrylic pouring on my KitchenAid mixer. Now these techniques can be applied to anything. You don't have to do it on your KitchenAid, but I just thought this would be really fun to see how a pour turns out. Now before I started, I mixed some paints. For me, I did all shades of blue because those are my...
Here I'm showing you just a brief time lapse on how I mix my paints for a pour. I start with acrylic paint, your choice. I use golden usually because I like the artist quality of it. And then I mix in a pouring medium, either Liquitex or Floetrol, and then use a little bit of water to thin and stir until it's the right consistency.
And then the last thing I do before I start my pour is I add some silicone oil. And silicone oil is what helps get those really cool cells that everybody seems to like in fluid pouring. Now, if you pre-mix your paints in big batches and store them in a container, I would not put the silicone oil in there. I would wait to add it till right before. There we go. I like the way that's looking. So let's get started. And sorry if my head gets cut off, but I have to stand up to pour over the mixer, so you might just see my body. Anyways, let's get started.